I'm Nigel, and I've got a new hat. Today, a cautionary tale of ordering too much stuff on the internet.
This stuff arrived from an MX5 specialist in England and was here in less than a week. I'd been procrastinating about committing to the purchase for 2 or 3 months, but I finally bit the bullet. And of course, they had a store-wide sale starting the day the package arrived. Oh well, no point crying over spilled milk. Unpacking time. First up, the upper gear shifter boot, the lower shifter boot, front chassis brace, genuine English air, these things, rear chassis brace, soft top rain gutter, and the leather gear shifter gaiter. Oh, and a pair of unpainted rear mudguards. And, of course, the main thing I ordered, the new soft top, is on back order. Getting everything out was a bit easier than last time. Okay, I cheated just a little bit. With the interior trim mostly removed, it was time to get to business. First, the leather gear shifter gaiter. The old one needed to be removed from the bracket and the new one fitted on. Easy, and it looks great. Next, the shifter boots. First to come off was the upper shifter boot. This had split and was basically not doing anything. Removal of the lower boot required removing the shifter itself. Then the lower boot needed to come off, and the shifter lubricated to allow the new one to slide into place. With this done, the shifter could be bolted back into its spot. Then, the upper boot could go on. Nice. With the shifter sorted out, everything needed to go back in. The stereo first, then the tombstone, and of course, the eyeballs. The last thing to go in was the centre console. Complete with its lovely new leather gaiter. The next on the list was a piece called the beltline end cap. For some reason, it was missing on the driver's side. This bit required a minor bit of panel beating to fit on. And it makes a huge difference. Then it was onto the chassis bracing, which would tighten up the handling even more. This one is the front brace, which bolts onto the front suspension mounts. Apparently. So she was back up on the stands. Getting the bolts in place was way harder than I expected. But they all lined up nicely. Now where's that nut gone? And this, dear friends, is where it all started to go wrong.
going on? We've run into a bit of a problem. This nut here has stripped. I think the reason is that the bolt is a little bit too short. It didn't engage enough in the nut, stripped around. And the thing is, you can't get it off. I've tried for about an hour. You don't need to see that. She ain't coming off. I don't have the tool to do what we need, which is called a nut splitter. So I think I need one of those for today. We'll call it a day.